Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the Tech Hub Yugi. So in today's tutorial video, I want to take you through the basic steps of using Photoshop to make your graphics designs, such as posters. You can use it to design your thumbnails. It depends on what you want to use. So I want to give you some of the basics on how you can do it, and then I will give you more and more later. So we're opening our Photoshop, and so this is our Photoshop interface as you see it on our PC. They are on our desktop. So as you see, these are different designs that I've been making. Yep, and they are stored here. I saved them here so you can come and join me. So first of all, you need to know the measurements of the thing that you're going to design. So today I'm not going to use the Photoshop to edit a photo, but I'm going to use my Photoshop to show you how actually I can design a simple design. I can make maybe a poster, anything. Yes, you have been seeing posters that are looking good. Some of them are used in Photoshop. So here you go. So you should know the measurements that you want. If you want them in pixels, as you see my cursor over here, so mine are already in pixel. Yes, mine are already in pixel. So if you want, you can change them to centimeters, to inches, millimeters, depends on what you want. But this is so these pixel measurements are custom for like Instagram post, Facebook post, and maybe other posters. So I can press OK in create new. It is going to have a white background. So when I press OK, it comes here. So here I want you to observe the things. We have the tools palette over here where you see my cursor on my left side of the PC. Then we have the layers palette. So whatever I do here, it creates a layer here, and we are going to be playing around with these layers that I'm going to be forming and design a simple thing. So first of all, our background is here, and this is where we are going to be designing everything. So whatever you do, don't forget to go back to your select tool. It helps you with everything. So after making everything here, you go back. So let's start. You see different shapes in different designs. So this is how they draw them. You go here where you see my cursor over here. You can right click and then long click. So as you see, we have a rectangle tool, we have a round. So it depends on what you want. So this is an ellipse. It draws circle, but it is ellipse. I will show you how to draw those circles. So let us draw these shapes one by one. We're going to start with you just click and then come here and click. So it comes. So it is already given a background yellow, but in case you want to change the background, you go over here and click, and then you can choose these colors that you've already used. Or you can go here and mix a color of your own choice. As you see, I can choose this, and then it comes over there. So that is our rectangle. As you see, I can, when in case I want to adjust it, I have to first go back and select. This is a very important, then I can do anything with it, but in most cases we play around with the corners. So if I want to draw a square, that is a rectangle, I go to the same option and then I place my shift. You place your shift and then you draw. So as you see that is a square. So let's go again. We have a round rectangle tool. This is how this round rectangle tool, as you see, it has round shapes at the end. If I want to draw a square with a round, I do the same process as I did. So those are let us go and try out the ellipse. So this ellipse helps you to draw even circles, but this is the ellipse. Yes, but the circle, we place the shift and then you draw it. So I'm showing you, these are different shapes. This is a pentagon, You can draw it over there. They have given you a line. You can draw lines. You can draw lines. So as you see, so there is this one, customize the shape tool. You see it is drawing a tree. It is programmed to draw a tree. So these are customized tools, shape tools. So after that, as you all know, our shapes are now done. Yes, our shapes are now done. Let us go to another tool. How to add text. If you want to add text, you go here where you see horizontal text. So you just tap in it. So you come and just tap in your screen. Then the text bar will come. Then you can type anything that you want. So it's already in white background. I go back to my select, and then I come and I select it. You see over here, you come and change the color. So the color is already changed, as you see. So that is how you add the text. So I want to show you how you can remove a background. So you choose on a photo, like this photo. I drag it over here and it opens. Then I come over here and drag it off. Now it is already open. Or let me give you another option. You right click on the photo, then go to open with, then you open with Photoshop. Then after there, as you see, this is it. After opening it with it, I drag it here. So if I want to add this pic here, direct, I go back to select, then come and drag it over here. It comes with its background. But if I want to remove the background, I go to this option over here, and then I come and select in this photo. Then I draw a box over it and then wait. So as you see, it has already marked the bag. So I come back here to select. Everything you do, you go back to your select, and then I drag the photo over here. So there is a difference between this and this. This one has a background, this one has no background. So as you see, this is blend. If I want to make it sharp, I just go here to the sharpen tool, and then I sharpen it. As you see, it has been made sharp. So we have learned how to draw shapes, and let me show you how to play around with your font. So here I just go and click in it, and then I just come here. You see, I'm going to be playing around with the character. These are the different fonts that you can use in your design. Then I can even decide to make it more stronger or sharp. I make then I have strong option. So it depends. So here, if I want to lap the background, for instance this, if I want to remove the background, I come here. As you see, there is magic eraser. Just tap where I don't want the background. So as you see, background is moving. Or let me first Control Z, and then I can use this option, background eraser. Then I come and I remove the background slowly. Yes. So in our layers palette, I want to show you something. So this is our layers palette. So I need you to observe something. As you see this layer, the square that we drew, the bag is in the front. So if I want the bag to go in the back, I make sure that the triangle, you just drag it down and look for that shape and drop it behind it. So when you drop it behind, as you see, the thing is behind this. So I'll be teaching how to do clipping, masking, everything. So today I just wanted to give you the tutorial. So if I want to zoom, I come here and then I go here, I make sure that it is on the plus button, then I press. As you see, it is zooming. So if I want to go back to the shape, I go to the minus and then I press, so it goes back to my shape. So these are some of the basics. So if you want to save your work, you go to the file and then save as, then you give it a title, any title, and then you choose where you want it to go. For instance, I want it to go on my desktop. So if you want to save this work as a project, you leave it in this PSD. Over here, save as, type as, then you can go if you want to use it as a PDF, or if you want to print it, you go here. If you want to save it as a pic, you go here and then you press save. Then they bring these options, so it depends on what you want, standard, progressive, what you press OK. So it has saved itself on the desktop. Let me show you over here. So this is, it has saved itself on the desktop as a pic, JPEG. So as you see, this is our pic. So I've showed you how to save, I've showed you how to draw different shapes. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how to make different designs to make it colorful. So this is just rough work showing you different. So you should learn this layers palette, and I'll show you more about it and the tools palette. There are a lot of tools that I've not shown you, like this crop, there is this lasso tool, there is this path select, there is this. There are a lot of tools that I'll be showing you. So keep around my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and leave a comment of anything that you'd love to know about. So we are the Tech Hub. Thank you.